Hey guys, you're back in the shop with me today on this nice snowy afternoon. I just want to give you a glimpse of the new car that came in the other day. So what we have now is a 1970 Buick Skylark, and it's here for pretty much the full job now. The customer is initially wanted to do just the floors, and I told him that I was probably going to find more than we expected. No, not expected, more than he anticipated to finish the job and do the floors, because once I take out the floors, is there going to be anything left of the surrounding area to fasten and weld the floors back into? So it looks like we're going to go forward with the full job. Needs quarters, needs floors, and the rest of the panels seem to be very workable. But the trunk floor does need some work, and the inside of the car, the floors in here also need some little bit of love. But anyway, other than that, the car is, all the other panels are workable. It is going to need a driver's door, but other than that, this door, the fender, the hood, all that stuff is workable. So other than that, it's convertible, so it's a fun car. It's going to be a good job. So now I'm tearing the car down. I'm in the assessment stages. I pretty much assessed the car and it needs floors. So other than that, it's going to be a fun job. It's another job in the shop, and when they're done, it's going to be a very nice car, as every car is going to be that rolls out of here. So guys, I appreciate you watching. I appreciate your support. Please like and share the videos as always, and subscribe on YouTube, and I will keep you up to date and as things go forward on this car and that car and that car and that car and all the other cars. So guys, thank you so much. You have a blessed day. It's a chilly one, but it's a good one because we're alive and breathing. Hey, thanks guys. Have a good one.